Ears are very confusing, but not impossible to figure out, and they can actually be quite fun. Here are 3 ways you can draw ears, as well as some tips and tricks to help you out. My first and personal favorite ear is simple and cartoony. Draw a nice round shape, and add this bump on the inner side, and a line connected to it that goes around the top of the ear. In real life, ears will appear narrower from a front view and wider at a side view, but with these ears, the difference is more subtle, especially when they are extra big and stick out. For variations of this ear type, try different shapes, maybe some more angular ones, and you can also move the bump further down. The second method for drawing ears is used in many different styles and bridges the gap between cartoony and realistic. Start with the shape of the ear, which could be squarish, angular, or even jagged like this, which is often the case for big masculine characters. Now this line, which is like a jagged 3 with a larger top than bottom, goes inside the main ear shape. These ears also don't tend to look much different from the side, but the jagged ear will typically be less jagged from this point of view. Another optional addition to these ears would be a short line coming down from the top like this, which suggests the detail of the inner area of the ear. For a realistic ear, you could try to break this down into steps to make it easier. First draw the outer edge, then the inner edge that has this bump and this connecting point, and finally complete this Y shape on the inside. But honestly, it's probably easiest just to use a reference for this. Here are some ear images from different angles. Note how from the back view, the ear is very noticeably shaped like a bowl with an outer rim. More cartoony ears won't typically look like this, instead looking the same as the front view, just without the inside detail. To place ears on the head, connect the bottom of the ear to the start of the jawline, and the ear should start roughly at the midway point between the face and the back of the head. It's common to think that the ears should be level with the eyes, but it tends to be more the tops of the ears that line up with the eyes. When a face is angled up, the ears will appear lower, and when a face is angled down, they will appear higher up. For more face and human drawing advice, head on over to this playlist. Thanks for watching!